guys, your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, you know what to do. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. Another quick video. I know I said that I was going to put some knotless braids in my hair. If you watched my previous video, I told you about the hair loss that I was going through and I was going to go ahead and change up some things and change my diet, start drinking more water, eat more fruits and vegetables, and just trying to figure out what I can do to get my hair health back. So as you can see, today is wash day. I went ahead and put my hair in just some regular old plaits. And yes, your girl is going to be looking a hot mess for the next couple months, but it's cold, so it's okay. I'll just put a cute little scarf on or something and get on with my day. So I'm going to be doing this for the next couple months. I'm still going to keep up with my protein treatments, deep conditioning, hair masks, and things like that, just to kind of see if I can kind of bring my hair back to life. So again, it is still shedding. I don't know why, but yeah. So really quick, it is only a few days away from Christmas, so I only have a few of these left. The candy caramel apple is completely sold out. I do still have the crushed peppermint cream, and I do also have a few of the vanilla and ginger with marshmallow hand soaps. These are foaming hand soaps, and I have the black tops and the white tops available in the 8 ounces. The 10 ounces are completely sold out. The 8 ounces are only $4.99 right now, and right now we are offering free shipping from now through December 21st. So I'm offering free next day shipping with the holiday code holiday HLDYTR21, and I'll put that in the description box below and also here. So you use that code at checkout. You can order these off of realbluecosmetics.com and put in the code, like I said, HLDYTR21 at checkout, and free shipping, next day shipping. And then also, the next thing I'm working on, these are shower gels, and these will be posted on my website soon. I don't want them this dark in color, so I will be reformulating these. They will also come with matching body washes, as well as body scrubs and hand lotion or body lotion. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, these will be added to the site soon. So if you are not already a subscriber on my website, visit realbluecosmetics.com. You will get be the first to get access to these when they come available. They are mixed berry fragranced, and here goes my heat. So that is the end of this video, and I may also have a code, or I will also have a special discount code available for my current subscribers and also new subscribers. So again, visit realbluecosmetics.com and yeah, get your last minute gift ideas if you haven't already. Fast free shipping for your foaming hand soaps, and like I said, the body washes, gels, and the matching scrubs will be available soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video.